Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today you find me back here at the East Kent Railway. Now I'm here because they've actually got a Christmas market on here today. So there's going to be various little stalls, arts and crafts, food bits. The cafe is open, but also as well they are doing their Santa Express runs with the Class 73 and the Gatwick Express. So I'm going to do a bit of line siding. I'm going to have a walk around the Christmas market and just soak up all the Christmas atmosphere. And the Walmer Model Railway Club is open, so I'll take a look in there since they have moved from the carriage over to their permanent building. So join me as we go around the East Kent Railway's Christmas experience. So yeah, behind me you can see Class 73130. Now it still retains its two-tone grey Eurostar livery, and obviously it actually did used to run at the North Pole terminal, so it's very apt that it's actually doing the Santa Express today. Now of course obviously it used to run at the North Pole terminal rescuing the Eurostar fleet when they were based there between 94 to 2007, and it used to rescue obviously from Waterloo down to Dolan Moor sidings. So it's really nice. It's back on its home turf here in Kent. Realistically it's probably looking to stay around until around March 2025, and then I think it will probably go back down to its base in Wales. But while we've got it down here, it's really nice to see, and like I say, for the fact it's serviced the North Pole terminal as well, it's really apt, like I say, that it's running the Santa Express today. So I just thought I'd point this out while I'm here as well. So you actually do have these tracks, and they do actually retain the connection from here at the East Kent Railway in Shepherdswell, and just through there you do have Shepherdswell station, and you've just got the connection there, you can see nestled among the bushes, to the main line. So yeah, I'm currently walking through the Woodlands Trail. Stunning, by the way. First time I've ever walked through here, and it's absolutely really nice. Get some nice close-up shots of the line as well as you walk through. But yeah, long story short, I turned up here. There was nothing here because obviously there was meant to be a Christmas market advertised for Sunday the 1st of December, 11 till 3. Asked the guy in the ticket office, and long story short, they haven't got a clue where the Christmas market is. They've been frantically trying to get on the phone to them. It's a little bit embarrassing for the railway, and I feel really sorry for them. But for one reason or another, the people who did the Christmas market have not turned up. So a little bit of disappointment. I turned up specifically for it. Santa Express trains have all sold out, so I couldn't get on there, but I thought the Christmas market, I could film that, and the model railway, but there's no Christmas market. So yeah, unfortunately there are a few other people that had turned up and have just walked away now because of it. So whoever runs the Christmas market organisation, it's a shocking job. So yeah, if you take one of the trails down into the Neve Valley woodlands, you can see one of the Pullman carriages, and there is the recent arrival of the Class 507 unit. Seen better days, obviously, and all the graffiti inside, but I know it's a work in progress, and hopefully they can get it back up to scratch here at the railway.
Join you, John.
So yeah guys, this is Sibberwell, an N gauge layout here that they have at the Walmer Model Railway Club, and it's still in progress at the moment. It looks like it's coming on nicely. So yeah, as you can see, they're looking to extend it at the moment. So like I say, it's all a work in progress. It looks like it's almost going to be like a docks harbour sort of set out, all in the cliffs. Obviously it'll be multi-layered.
Yeah, we might be in the here. And that's still working, and I'm not with it yet. It's still working, and I'm not there. Well, I think it's anyway. Have you seen the ED battery? Oh, here it comes.
And also here they've got this fantastic funicular railway layout, Cowdrey Cider Works.
The door's shut!
Can I ask figural advice on something with my Black 5? Because I've got a slightly wobbly front wheel. It's very
John's got certain switches on the bottom, and apparently if you change it by hand, it puts it out of sync.
All right.
Yeah.
So these are not wide in yet?
No.
The only ones wide in are the ones
Well, I
in the
didn't know,
middle.
so I was just
No,
asking
no.
the question.
My Black 5 or 50 watt, mate.
Up on the wall.
No, we're not having
No,
that.
It's right there.
finished there. The rest of it.
I'll trust
goes
you to be
actually to the
gentle.
shop. So you put it all in there and then have it back.
Yeah. Well, the picture, definitely, we're not. I'm not having pictures of stuff we're not on the wall. I'm sorry.
I think it'd be a great addition.
Stephen, he was a volunteer here. I think he actually
Henry. We need to synchronise the two for a good shot here. Yeah?
I'm waiting for the guy to put the sentinel on. You were sorting that?
Yeah, and also at the Model Railway Club, guys, they have their own little shop. All different bits of rolling stock and second-hand locomotives. And I'm very tempted by this £50 new in box Thomas Nanny and Carabelle. So might be picking that up potentially. And you also have a little layout out here, which is a little Thomas themed layout, and yet still really, really highly detailed. Really, really nice. We've got Toby and Thomas at the platform. So yeah guys, that's just been a brief little look inside the Walmer Model Railway Club. Some stunning little layouts. So you've got the little N gauge layout, and then of course obviously you have the funicular railway one as well, which is really, really nice based on the cider works. And obviously you saw the under construction brand new layout that they've got in that room. So it's actually going to be called Walmerton, and essentially what he was stating was one side's going to be rural, and it's going to essentially transition from rural down to industrial on the other side. And he has converted a corgi tram, so it's motorised, and they are planning on having a little tramway in the middle. But yeah, they're open most of the times, you know, opening times 10 till 3 at the weekends. So pop down, have a chat with them, really, really nice guys, and maybe buy yourself something within the shop, and it will help them out. I've just bought a couple of wagons. Like I said, I'm tempted by that Thomas. I'm going to have to quickly make a phone call, I think. Yeah, I've just quickly spotted this over here as well. So anyone who knows me pretty well knows I love old advertising signs. Gatwick Airport, where trains meet planes. Network South East. The guys here have kindly let me quickly step on to So yeah, all the tickets this year are sold out now as far as I'm aware, all the Santa Express tickets. But yeah, from what I can see, and you know what the offer involves, I believe it's £50 for a family of 4, and it just seems like it's really worth it. Like I say, you get to travel on the Gatwick Express, which is worth it in itself. Like I say, it just seems like they've done a really, really good job with all the decorations, especially here in the carriage.
Just a couple of moments, start boarding again, folks. Thank you.
Did a little announcement there, just telling everyone make a board. But yeah, really highly recommend you come down and check this out when you can. Yeah, then once you get off the train, guys, you would then enter into the North Pole Road, where you would meet Santa at the end. It's really, really festive in here. All little decorations and lights. Yeah, so before you get on the Gatwick Express for the Santa train, they have actually decorated inside the Class 142 here, the Pacer unit. Yeah, it's really nice. Yeah, this is Millie, the station cat. She's 17 at the moment, and she's very friendly. And apparently, she loves dreamies. So yeah, I'm just sitting here outside the Colonel Stevens Cafe. Thought I'd go for a nice festive pumpkin spice latte. It was really nice, all the whipped cream and that. I'm not normally this sort of drink. I like pumpkin spice, but all the whipped cream and powder and everything on top. Sort of take it or leave it. But I thought, you know what, festive season, let's give it a try. Oh, that's really, really nice actually. And the whipped cream's actually nice and cold, so it makes it hot and the cold mixing in your mouth. It makes it really, really nice to drink. But yeah, I'm going to get a few more shots of the Class 73 as it's leaving with the Santa Express, and then we'll probably wrap up this video because the weather's sort of drowning me out a little bit. But overall, it's been a really good day, and like I say, it's been nice chatting with the Walmer Model Railway Club guys, and just obviously doing a bit of line side in here during the Christmas event. So yeah guys, that's been my trip there to the East Kent Railway for their Santa experience. Sadly, like I say, I never managed to book tickets for it, but obviously I've still filmed it around for you and obviously show you everything the event has to offer. They are all sold out this year, but obviously if you're looking for something to do next year, this one might be the one for you. Really, really great to see 73130 running up and down the Gatwick Express. Finally got to see that. Really, really nice. And yeah, nice to see Walmer Model Railway Club as well, and obviously the progress of their brand new layouts, Walmerton. But yeah, I'm on my way back now. I got quite caught out by the weather, as you can see. I'm quite soaked, so I'm going to go in. I'm going to get warmed up. Really hope you enjoyed it. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. See you guys.